What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jay with another video, and today we're talking about the Snowflake IPO. There is so much hype going around about this Snowflake thing, and I don't fully understand what the hell the company's doing, but for the most part, it is a new company. They're gonna IPO. I'm pretty sure the stock is gonna go live tomorrow, which is Wednesday, September 16th, and Snowflake. So it's getting a lot of attention because Warren Buffett and Salesforce, they are investing $250 million each into this IPO. But look, people like Warren Buffett, they get into the stock at cheaper prices than us retail investors, okay? So who the hell is at the door? 1 second. All right. Where was I? Oh, this Snowflake thing. Warren Buffett's investing, Salesforce is investing. Now, these guys don't get in at the IPO price. So initially, the IPO price was supposed to be anywhere from $70 to $80. And now, the other day, yesterday, I think, or the day before, they raised it 30%. So they raised it from 70 to 80 up to anywhere from $100 to $110. So when this thing opens, the amount of people that are going to buy this is insane. The amount of people that are just going to swarm in and buy right at the open, you're not going to be able to get it for $100 to $110. The only people that are getting it even cheaper than that are Warren Buffett, Salesforce, these insider guys who have a lot of damn money. We're never going to see that IPO price. So I mean, I wouldn't swarm right into it at the open tomorrow. Pretty sure it's going to go public tomorrow. I wouldn't go swarming into it just yet because these IPO things, they run up, they get hyped up, they get a lot of buying, and nobody really wants to sell the first day or even the first week, maybe the first month. So it just continues to rise, continues to go up. So what I would do personally, I don't know if I'm going to buy it at all. I'm just saying because I'm getting a lot of questions about Snowflake this, Snowflake that. So might as well make a video. But Snowflake, it's gonna run up. There's no question about it. It's gonna run up. And what I would look for is that first dip. Let it dip. Let it stabilize. Once the IPO shenanigans are over, then you could find the real value. And hop in. So it's going to go up and then it's going to come down. We don't know how far it's going to come down, but you better expect it to. So I wouldn't go chasing it the first week, especially if you're if you're looking out, 10 years from now, 5-10 years from now, you could possibly get a better price than, tomorrow when it runs up, within, the next month or a couple weeks, whenever it has that first little correction. So that's going to be the best time to invest, in my opinion, because there's going to be so much hype. Once it sees a little bit of red, those retail investors get shaky and they start dumping their positions, and then it turns into a whole mess. But yeah, the company itself seems pretty solid. They have, it's pretty much like a cloud, data cloud thing where they store a bunch of data in this Snowflake cloud service or whatever. I honestly don't really fucking know what the hell they do, but they've got a bunch of Fortune 500 companies on this platform, so it's going to be good long term. Probably we just gotta see if Amazon is going to take over. Then there could be some problems with, because Amazon likes putting people out of business. So we'll see what happens with that. That's something to pay attention to, I think, for sure. Yeah, I can't think of anything else, really. The company is going to launch tomorrow, publicly traded. I mean, it's already launched, been launched for years, but they're going to go public tomorrow. There's going to be a run up, and at some point, it's going to come down, stabilize, and then that's where you could find the real value and then start investing in it for long term.